See? Hi. Hey, baby.
Oh my god, oh my god.
What's up, guys? It's Libby. I hope you are doing well. In this Thursday's YouTube video on this channel, we are going to do a warm, reddish, kind of romantic cut crease. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to wear this. It's not like anyone takes me out on dates or anything, but I'm gonna show you guys what I would do if I had a romantic place to go. My face is already painted like a canvas. I've got some bronzer that's really, really harsh, just like I like it. Some eyebrows, some foundation, and concealer. So yeah, we're just gonna focus on the eyes today, the lips, and the cheeks. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys aren't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Thursday and a bonus video throughout the week. Yeah, make sure you're checking for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you have ever eaten an entire half block of cheese. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I am doing a cut crease today, so I don't really care what my crease looks like anyway, but I'm going to use the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. My transition shade for today is going to be this color right here. Not even going to bother with trying to tell you what the name of it is because I'm so bad at figuring out what the names of ColourPop eyeshadows are. Probably should just look up a video. I'm sure someone has something on YouTube about it, right? I feel like I probably should just look up a video to see how these names are pronounced. Okay, next on that same brush, I'm going to take this more red shade down here in the corner. Actually, I'm not using that same brush. I'm using a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to keep this more tight. This is pretty cranberry, isn't it? And last but not least, still using this Element of Surprise palette, I am going to take this shimmery shade right up here. I mean, you could probably use any palette with these cranberry-ish reddish colors. And I probably could be switching it up between palettes, but I'm really just lazy today. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I just want to use one palette. Now that we've got everyone and their cousin and their mother and their sister's boyfriend blended out on our eyes, we are going to do the cut crease. So I'm going to use my handy dandy ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm just going to do this in a good old dirty brush. Suppose you probably could leave the outside like that, but I'm just going to take a beauty sponge and blend that in. And I'm also going to tap my eyelid a little bit. And then the last part of the eyeshadow, this is like the easiest eye you could ever do. The last part of the eyeshadow is you're just going to take, oh, this isn't the last part, but we're going to take this really light color here, and I'm not going to swipe, I'm just going to tap and pat it in here, all where this negative space is. This is such a comfy video. I'm chilling here on my little stool. That's how they should be, right? Just chilling. Okay, and then once I can feel it, it's kind of set, it's not really sticky anymore, then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of swipe on the product. Okay, and then finishing touches on this, oh, whoa, my eye's twitching. Finishing touches on this, I'm going to take this sparkly brown here. I think it's called Sea Stars, but like I said, I really don't know. And I'm just gonna really, like, I'm about to get up so close right now because I'm gonna really focus and just like put this right above the cut crease, just to darken it up, you know, make it 3D, add some dimension. Like, doesn't that just instantly look just like at least 5 times more intense than this eye does? I think it does. Okay, and that is it for the top of the eyes. Pretty cool, huh? So now I'm gonna do winged liner. I haven't done one in years, so yeah. And I'm hoping that the recipe for success is you just follow this line, because I think these look pretty even, so let's hope. That is the best wing I've ever done in my entire life. So let's hope the other side looks like this. Alright. They're not twins, they're not sisters, they're not even cousins, but they might be friends. I just did like this entire thing. And it didn't record. Why would it? Why would it record? Why? Why would it, you know? So deal with it. Alright, now that we feeling extra juicy, I'm going to put on the Roller Lash by Benefit to vamp it up even more. This look has no under eye shadow, so if you don't like under eye shadow, girl, this looks for you. Next, I'm going to use my Naked Urban Decay Flushed palette, and it's just like a little bronzer, highlight, blush trio. I'm just going to mix them all together, put them on my cheeks. Wow, I think this like eyeshadow combination, color combination really complements blue eyes. Probably will look really good on green eyes too. For highlighter, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glowy Powder Glow Illuminating Highlighter. This is in the shade Rose, and I think it just goes with the colors on the eyes. I'm just going to mix all of them together. And you guys, last for this look, I'm just gonna pop on some lipstick. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Lumineer. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think you can do this eye look with literally any color shade, any color range that you could possibly want to do. I like how it's the negative cut crease and the shade that you put on the lid is kind of like the same shade as your skin tone. And then if you do want to do this with different colors, just make sure you pop that little bit of a darker color right where the cut crease is, because it just kind of gives you that extra oomph. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. I do put out new videos every Thursday and a bonus video throughout the week, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. What's up guys, it's Libby, and what did I do today? Let's get this party started. Okay, the moment of truth. Are you